Having a well-crafted resume is extremely important, and working experience is a must-have section of your resume, but it can also be the most daunting section to write. But don't worry, in this video I'll share with you what counts as working experience, how to tailor your resume, what should you include when writing your resume work experience section, and how can you express work experience when changing careers. Hey guys, Emilia here from EMIPOWERED, bringing you today the best tips and tools in how to win at life and level up your career. And hey, if you're new here, subscribe. Working experience should always be the first section after your personal details. Let me get started by explaining what counts as working experience. Working experience is anything from internships, voluntary and paid work, part-time, full-time jobs, and even extracurricular activities. All this can be directly relevant for the role you're applying to, as recruiters are interested in transferable skills you have developed in the past and present. And at the end of the day, all they want to know is your direct impact and contribution on relevant past working experiences. In other words, your resume needs to reflect that you're capable of performing the role you're applying to. And you can do that by giving the employer substantial examples of when you use the skills that are required for the job you're applying to. And this is called tailoring, and recruiters highly appreciate when you do so, rather than sending them a generic resume. So when filling in your work experience section, don't forget, mention your skills, your achievements, your results. On your tasks, always indicate what was your impact, your contribution, and measure it. Recruiters love when you give them results, especially when you indicate percentage or you quantify your success with figures. Here are some examples: accelerated operations and increased sales by 57%, or even coordinated and trained a team of 60 people, or launched an online magazine ahead of schedule and created a total of 40 articles. And always use proactive and positive language. I've included a few examples in the description box down below. Let's suppose you have changed industries. How would you organize this information on your resume? In this case, you can make the headers work in your favor. You can also have a generic header called work experience, and then have like sub-headings for your legal experience, and then another one for your marketing experience. And if you'd like to see the resume that I submitted and landed me a job at Amazon, check out this video right here.